Enter to the 52nd Metro Manila Film Festival. 14 individuals enter a mysterious carnival, expecting fun and excitement. Instead, they witness gruesome death after gruesome death as rides and attractions turn deadly. As the carnival claims lives, the remaining guests can only enter areas that are lighted. But these areas contain life and death challenges that test their intelligence, strength, and resilience. Much more, carnival freaks are on the loose to hunt every single one of them. As the last beat of light leads to the ringmaster's tent, who among the survivors deserve to live and tell the tale of the haunted carnival? Lead actresses include Julia Barreto, Fiang Smith, and Maricel Soriano, with John Arcilia and James Reid as lead actors. Directed by Joey De Guzman and Alan Tihamo as script writer. An entry from Regal Entertainment Incorporated. Haunted Carnival is a horror suspense thriller whose story begins in the 1980s. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the Haunted Carnival by Regal Films, an official entry to the 52nd Metro Manila Film Festival.
Please share the stage with our mayor, and of course, all smile and the cameras. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again to Regal Films and Haunted Carnival. Horror naman. Iba-iba ang genre natin. Nakaka-excited for our third entry. Tama niyo yan?
So recap pala, second miracle in cell number 7, ang pelikulang Amir, at we have the Haunted Carnival. And before we announce the last for the first batch of official entries this year, meron munang i-explain si Tita Boots Anson Broa sa ating lahat ang criteria in selecting our official entries.
Yes,
Go,
thank you,
Tita.
Chairman. Apat po criteria ang sinundan ng members of the selection committee para makuha po ang apat na winners natin. 40% po para sa technical and creative merit. Another 40% for commercial value, 10% for global appeal, dahil maaaring ipalabas ito sa ibang bansa, and 10% for the infusion of Filipino values, dapat po may Filipino values ng ating mga pelikula. Para po malaman. And also, we would like to announce that the titles that are being announced are delivered in no particular order.
Okay, thank you very much po, Tita Boots Anson Broa. Ito na, meron pa tayong isa pa!
This is interview.